For over 15 years, Lionel Messi started his World Cup journey in that Argentina game against Serbia where he even scored a goal. Since then, he never stopped believing he could conquer the most desired trophy by any footballer. Now he finally got it. Leo has been partying for 2 straight weeks. He is set to report with PSG on Monday, but he wanted to send out a New Year's message to everybody. I also want to keep a very special memory to everybody who follow and support me. Being able to share this journey with you is incredible. Getting to where I am today would be impossible without all that support from people from my country, Paris, Barcelona, and so many cities from many countries from where I receive all that love. I hope this year has also been wonderful for everybody, and I wish all the health and strength to continue being happy in 2023. A massive hug for everybody. Even though he already stated that he probably won't be active for the 2026 World Cup, Leo Messi still dominated the biggest stage at the age of 35. Cristiano Ronaldo might have thrown the towel, but Messi seems like he is only getting started. The next couple of years will get us to experience the twilight of his career without that added pressure of not having won a World Cup yet. He will only enjoy himself and likely deliver more memorable nights.